Hello, English learners. In the last video, you learned how to make your first English sentences. Today, you will take the next big step. You will learn how to ask your first English questions. Asking questions is important because it helps you start conversations and connect with people. Let's get started. The simplest way to ask a question is with what is. This pattern is short, clear, and very useful. Examples: what is your name? What is this? What is your favorite color? Tip: use this when you want to learn something new about a person or an object. For example, what is this? When you don't know the word in English. This is an easy way to practice English every day. Now let's add more useful question words. Where helps you ask about places. For example, where are you from? Where is the bus stop? Where is your school? When helps you ask about time. For example, when is your birthday? When is the meeting? When do you wake up? With just these two words, where and when, you can start so many conversations. Another very common way to ask questions is with do you. Examples: do you like coffee? Do you speak English? Do you play football? This question pattern is great for small talk. If someone asks you, do you like pizza? You can answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. So every time you meet a new person, try asking, do you like something? It's a simple way to keep the conversation going. Let's see how these questions work in real life. Hello, what is your name? My name is Anna. Where are you from? I am from India. Do you like music? Yes, I like music very much. When is your birthday? It's in June. Look at that. A complete conversation using only the questions you learned today. See how powerful simple questions are. You don't need advanced grammar to connect with people. How can you practice this on your own? Here's an idea. Write down 5 simple questions about someone's name, place, likes, and daily life. For example, what is your favorite food? Where are you from? Do you like reading? When do you study English? Then try asking these questions to your friends, classmates, or even in the comments of this video. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Now you know how to ask your first English questions: what, where, when, and do you. These are the building blocks of every conversation. Practice them today and you will notice your confidence growing. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a video. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video.